Alright, this is my 1969 Dodge. It's got a hitch, some hitch wires. It's got 3 gas tanks. There's one. There's 2. The third one is actually behind here, right there. And it's a stick shift, as you guys know. I'm thinking about painting it either a flat black or a really, really nice candy red, like that Jimmy out there, or this Cavalier. I'm not sure yet, so leave me a comment what you guys think. It's got drum brakes, front and back, hoping to make it into disc. Yeah, see ya. Stupid thing, stop. This is a stick shift. There's the clutch, gas gauge, the ignition. It used to be a automatic, but it was converted to a stick.
Was it really?
Yeah. And then I'll show you the back. There's the back of it. Pretty nice. Speaker systems are good. Try the engine, Jan. Can you get out? I got it, Jay. This is the engine. It's a 318, which is one of the original engines that was put in it. It's putting out 210 horsepower right now. It's got a new fuel filter, new hose right there. It's pretty nice.
Vroom vroom.
That's not what sound it makes.
I know, it's so loud.
Oh shit.
Shoot.
That's gonna be ticked.
Why?
The battery was supposed to be disconnected.
Why?
Because it kills the battery. Yes, the battery dies. Excuse me, Jenny. Now this is from the inside.
Made me press not play.
It's got 44,000 miles on it, which isn't too much for a 69, I guess. Here's the e-brake. And that's it. See you guys later.